So good day everyone. So for today's video I will be discussing to you about the designing big data in Google. So let's start. First, what is big data? Big data is a combination of structured, semi-structured and unstructured data collected by organizations that can be mined for information and used in machine learning projects, predictive modeling, and other advanced analytics applications. Big data is often characterized by the three V's. First, we have the volume, variety, and velocity. Google Big Data provides analytics and machine intelligence at web scale when it comes to managing companies' big amount of data. It works on highly unstructured and raw data makes them efficient for operations. Google Big Data Analytics products are able to scale automatically while users focus only on the business insight that needs to be uncovered. Google has led the industry with the innovation in data processing technologies such as MapReduce, Bigtable, and GraphML. Google is also making the latest generation of its data processing tools available to everyone, including industry-leading programming tools and programming models. So next, big data is a collection of data from various sources, often characterized by what's become known as the three V's: volume, variety, and velocity. So over time, other V's has been added to the description of big data. So as you can see, we have the 8 V's in our big data technology. First, we have the volume, the amount of data from myriad sources. Second, velocity, it is the speed at which big data is generated. And third, variety, the types of data: structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. Veracity, it is the degree to which big data can be trusted. In value, the business value of the data collected. Variability, it is the ways in which big data can be used and formatted. In visualization, presented data in visualization for end user to understand and act upon. And in viscosity refers to the inertia when navigating through a data collection. So let's proceed to types of big data. First, we have the unstructured. Unstructured data refers to the data that lacks any specific form of structure whatsoever. This makes it very difficult and time-consuming to process and analyze unstructured data. This is the databases, data warehouse, and enterprise system. In structured data refers to highly organized information that can be readily and seamlessly stored and accessed from a database by simple search engine algorithms. It is the analog data, GPS tracking information, and audio or video streams. In semi-structured data pertains to the data containing both the formats structured and unstructured. It refers to the data that, although has not been classified under a particular repository or database, it is the XML, email, and EDI. Sources of big data. We have the media, social media, machine, and historical. In media and communication outlets, it is the articles, podcasts, audio, video, email, and blogs. In social media, digital material created by social media, it is the text, photos, videos, and tweets. In machine, data generated by computer and machines generally without human intervention. Business process logs, sensors, and phone calls. In historical, data about our environment, whether traffic or census, and archive documents, forms of records. We have the five key aspects of big data in economic factors. First, we have the transparency. Transparency helps all those involved to access information at the same time. The value chain can therein be maximized. Second, we have the forecast. Big data offers the opportunity for real-time performance monitoring and to execute extensive simulation. Third, we have the customer focus. It can be cut to size through detailed customer segmentation services. Fourth, we have the analysis. Through real-time analysis, automated decisions are possible. Alternatively, a decision basis for management can be created. Fifth, we have the innovation. Big data promotes the opportunity for real-time performance monitoring and extensive simulation to operate. And four phases of big data. First, we have the educate. This phase focuses on knowledge gathering and market observation. In explore, after completing the education phase, companies will develop a strategy and roadmap based on business needs and challenges. In engage, during the third phase, a business will pilot big data initiative to validate value and requirements. In execute, companies in the fourth phase have deployed two or more big data initiatives and are continuing to apply advanced analytics. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching.